In today's tutorial, we're going to look on how to share your source code with your friends and maybe families. So sometimes you have code that you want to share. For example, this simple Java code which just prints out values 1 to 4. So let's say I needed to share this with someone, maybe people on Twitter, Facebook, email, or let's say I'm writing an article and I need to share it. Some websites or blogs don't give a good way of sharing code, or maybe you can share code but it doesn't look quite nice. So there's a new tool which I want to show you. So the name is Carbon. Yeah, you can make your code beautiful. You can share it with your people. So here it is. So let's just copy this code right here and we can share it with, and voila, here's the code. You can share it or tweet it. You can edit it, like I can easily edit the size, you can edit line height, you can do a lot of things with it. You can change the theme to your taste. There are different themes, there's material, but I'm okay with the one that you see there, which is SETI. Was it Shetty? SETI? I'm not sure. So you have different languages, I'm sure your language is here. So of course a lot of people like JavaScript, so it's here, Kotlin is here, C++ is here, Dart is here, C# is here, you're here. So now you can also change the background color to whatever you like. This is the default I made here. So you can export it. If you don't want to tweet it, you want to export it to a PNG to the size, you can edit it, the file name. You can export to a vector or PNG, and that's it. It's quite nice. You can do what you want. So here is the tool Carbon. See you later.